In this video, we are going to see the discovery mechanism in OPC UA. The discovery mechanism is used by the OPC UA client to get the information about the OPC UA servers available in the network. So the information such as the endpoint, URL, transport profiles, security, etc. So when there is one client and server, then there is no need of a discovery server. But if there is more than one OPC US servers available in the network, then we can use the discovery mechanism in order to get the details about the server. So there are three different use cases are available. One is local discovery server. Second one is LDS with multicast extension. Third one is the global discovery server. So in the first two cases, the client and server should reside in the same network. And in the third case, in the GDS, the client and the server will be residing in different networks. In the LDS scenario, the OPC US servers will first register with the LDS server, and the client will send the find server request, and it can get the information from the LDS server about the OPC US servers available in the network. And in the second scenario is also similar, but the only difference is here the LDS server will use the MDNS feature, and the LDS server will announce its existence, and the OPC server will actually wait for the announcement from the LDS server. Once the connection is established with the LDS server, then the OPC UA client can get the details about the OPC UA servers available in the network. And the third use case is the global discovery server, when the client and server which is available in different network. In this case also, the server need to first register with the GDS server. Then the client can get the information about these servers through the GDS. But in other use case scenario is there will be different subnets will be there, and these subnets will be connected with one LDS server, and these LDS server need to register with the GDS server. So the GDS server will get the information about different OPC US server available in different subnet through the LDS servers. So the other use case scenario about GDS server is it can also act as the certificate authority, and so it can also have the capabilities like certificate renewal, revocation, etc. So now we can see the first use case LDS in action. So for this one, I use the open62541 library, and in this library examples, you can see that under the discovery, there is LDS server and server register.c and the client find servers.c. So this server will be registered to the discovery server, and the client will send the find server to get the information about the server available in the network. So the discovery server is running on port number 4840, and the OPC server is running on port number 4841. So now I am running the LDS server. And now I'm going to run the server, the OPC server. And next, I'm using the client to get the information about the servers. Now you can see that this is the endpoint URL of the server, and if you are going uh, here, you can see that there are it is actually printing the available servers in the network. One is the discovery server, and another one is the OPC UA server.